Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an HK bank account tied to your mobile number and Wechat updated to the latest version. Once ready, open Wechat, tap Me, then Wallet, and choose Cards and Bank Accounts to add a new link. Make sure your name, ID, and phone match bank records. Mismatches block registration. Enter your bank card details when prompted and allow Wechat to request an SMS code. This starts the FPS registration handshake with your bank so they can verify you. Once done with initial entry, follow the bank's on-screen verification. You will receive an SMS OTP or use your bank's token app. Enter it promptly. Then authorize Wechat to enable FPS for that account. You may set daily transfer limits for security. Make sure the linked mobile number in Wechat matches the bank record, because banks use that match to finalize binding. If you see a progress or pending status, wait a few minutes. The bank and Wechat exchange confirmations automatically. To finish, you should perform a small test transfer using FPS to a friend or another of your accounts. This confirms end-to-end setup. If the transfer fails, first recheck ID, mobile, and bank details in both Wechat and your bank app. Many failures are due to mismatched numbers or pending bank approvals. If issues persist, gather the transaction or error codes and contact your bank or Wechat wallet support. Make sure to mention the exact error and time so they can trace the handshake logs quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.